Welcome, in front of me is a Sony Xperia 10 Mark V, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles and look for the Do Not Disturb. For me, it is on the first page right over here. Once you see this toggle, you can hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. So I recommend changing number one, the section under people, which allows you to choose who can call you and message you. Then if we go back, we also have apps and other interruptions. You can change those if you want to. Now the second important option would be schedule. This allows you to select a fully automatic schedule, so it will turn on and off the mode based on the provided day of the week and start and end time. I have two already pre-made ones. You can edit them or you can create new ones. And going to the last important option, it will be the duration for quick settings. And for the people that tend to use this mode just on like random occasions, rarely, I would recommend changing it to a timer, which is the middle option, and then maybe add like a couple more hours to it. So once you enable it and then you forget about it, which probably would be the most common thing, the phone will remember it for you and turn it off after the selected amount of hours. So therefore, you can completely forget about it. You don't need to worry that it's going to be running indefinitely in the background, and the phone will just turn it off for you after, in my case, 4 hours, which is a pretty nice option to have. So now going to the actual mode, enabling it and all that stuff. If you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure that it is toggled on in here, and that's all you have to do. But for everyone else who wants to enable it manually on like random occasions, find a toggle, tap on it, and there you go, you're good to go. And if you select the timer like I did, it also shows you until what time it's going to be running, at which point it would turn off automatically at 8:20. So there we go. And one more thing, you can turn it off before that timer runs out by just tapping on the toggle once more. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.